Hi there, my name is Brittany from the Customer Success Enablement team here at Veem. Whether you're looking to send one payment or you need to send payments in bulk, Veem has a payment solution for you. Today, we're going to talk about this traditional send payment flow on Veem. Once logged into your Veem account, you're going to want to click over here on Send Payment. From there, you can add a new contact if you are paying somebody that you have never paid before and is not on the Veem network, or if you're paying somebody that you have paid previously or somebody who's already using Veem, punch in their email address here and you can select them from your My Network contacts here. Now, the first thing you're going to see on the details page is the available ways to send payment. These are the funding methods that you have added in your send payment section of your settings of your Veem account. It's going to default to the one you've chosen as your default sending method, but you can choose any of the options available. Put in the amount that you want to send. It's then going to show you what you're paying and any fees associated, depending on the funding method that you've chosen. You can set payments as recurring if you need to send the same payment, say every week or every month to the same recipient. You would just toggle this on and then set the parameters here. Feel free to check out our video that explains this in more detail. A purpose of payment and purpose of payment description are required when sending a payment. So you're going to want to fill those out as well. You can set the purpose of payment as a default for this contact if you're always sending them a payment for the same reason. Once you've got the information here filled out, click on Continue. You're then going to see the delivery method option. If you've never sent somebody a payment before, and this is the first time, you're going to be granted a couple of options. One, you can send them an email that's going to invite them to join the Veem network or to set up as a guest so that they can receive the payment. The second option is if you have all of their information, you can enter it in here and they can receive the payment claimlessly. Now, if you're in the US and they are also in the US, so it's a domestic payment, you will have the option to send them a check as well. Once you've selected your delivery method, you're going to be on the additional info page. Here you can review what you added on the details page, as well as add an internal invoice number if you have one. If you'd like to CC another recipient to get the information about this payment, you can add their email address here. And if you have a physical PDF file, you can add it here as well by dragging and dropping or browsing your computer. Feel free to add a note to your receiver as well, and then click Review. Now this gives you one last chance to review your information to make sure it's all correct, so you can double check on your recipient, your details, and your additional info. If that looks good, click on Submit Payment. It will be submitted to Veem, and your recipient will receive an email letting them know that they're getting paid.